Good evening, everyone. I'm Saranya, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Engineering. Today's now I am topic is an introduction to big data, evaluation of big data. It is all start with the exponential in the amount of data we have generated since the dawn of the digital age. This is largely due to the rise of computers, the internet, and technology capable of capturing data from the world we live in. Going back even before computers and database, we had proper transaction and records, customer records, and etc. The computers and particularly spreadsheet and database gave as a way to store to organize data on large scales. Uh, how does big data work? A big data um, works on the principle that the more you know about anything or any situation, the more reliably you can gain new insights and makes predictions and about what will happen in the future. By comparing the more data points, relationship begins to emerge that were previously hidden, and this relationship uh, enable to learn the make a smarter decision. The most commonly this is done through a process that involves building a models based on the data we can collect and the running simulations, tweaking of value of data points each time and monitoring how it impacts our result. This process is automated. Today's the advanced analytic technology will run millions of these simulations to simulation the weakening all the possible variables until it finds the pattern or an insight the helps solve the problem it is working on. Anything that was not easily organized into rows and columns was simply too difficult to the with and was ignored. Now truth advances in storage and analytics mean that we can capture or stored and work within different types of data. Thus, the data can now mean anything from database to photos, videos, sound recordings, written text, and sensor data. To make the sense of all this messy data of big data projects often use cutting edges and analytics involving the artificial intelligence and machine learning by teaching the computer to identify what this data represent through the image recognition or natural language processing. For the example, they can learn in spot patterns much more quickly and reliably than the humans. In the big data is an industrial impact of the machine learning and artificial intelligence will pro life rate and rise of quantum and computing. Edge analytics will gain increase the traction, dark data and usage. The usage of this ever growing the stream of sensor information of photograph, text, voice, and video data means we can now use data in ways that were not possible of before. There is a revolutioning the world of business across almost every of industry. The companies can accurately predict what specific segment of customers will want to buy and when to buy. And the big data is also helping the companies run their operations in much more efficient way.